Hi, this is James Blumhart with Liberty AV Solutions, and today we're bringing you a product from Liberty Wire and Cable, our universal HDMI adapter ring. This adapter ring is available today and has 5 unique key adapters that allow you to interface laptops, Macs, iPads, smartphones to HDMI. Basically utilizing for installations like boardrooms, education, house of worship, presentation, or public speaking. This product can be utilized and mounted onto an HDMI cable, whether it's a 38 gauge, a 28 gauge, or a 24 gauge. For more information, you can come visit us at libav.com.